Welcome Ann Arbor 7th graders. In this video, we will 1. Talk about what distance learning is going to look like, 2. Learn about our new unit, and 3. Go over how to complete this assignment. Let's start by talking about what distance learning will look like. Going forward, no matter what school you go to, you will only have 2 science lessons a week, and you can expect each of these lessons to take 30 to 45 minutes. On Fridays, you'll fill out a short Google form for science. If you go to Slauson or Tappan, the days that you have science will depend on what hour you have science. For example, if you have science second hour, you'll be logging in on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you go to Tappan, your science days will be Monday and Wednesday. If you go to Clegg, your science days will be Tuesday and Thursday. And if you go to Scarlet, your science days will also be Tuesday and Thursday. We have 9 weeks left of school with 2 lessons per week, so that's 18 online lessons. Our last day will be on June 12th. What will we learn about in our unit? We're going to learn how our body is organized into cells, tissues, organs, and body systems. We're going to learn more about body systems like the digestive system, respiratory, and circulatory system. We're going to learn about how your body takes food and turns it into energy. We're going to learn about what happens in your cells during that process of turning food into energy. And we'll learn about something called cellular respiration. We'll also learn about how to connect with each other digitally and how to build a strong community online. Let's talk about how to complete today's assignment. One tip that I have is that if you find it hard to read these small words, go over here and go to Fit. It'll make your page a little bit bigger. The lesson starts with learning targets, which you can read, and a daily learning schedule to let you know what we'll be doing today and how long you should expect to spend on each part. Right now we're in part 1 and you're watching the video. After this video, you'll answer some questions about the video in the yellow boxes. In general, whenever you see a yellow box, that means you should type. So for example, you would delete this sentence here and you'd answer the question, what 2 days will we have our science lessons every week? So you might say, we will have science lessons on Mondays and Wednesdays. You'll have to check for your individual class. There's always sentence starters at the bottom in case you get stuck. The second part of your lesson is a KWL, where you'll think about what you know and what you want to learn. Again, you'll delete and type your thoughts. There's sentence starters at the bottom, and if you need help with this, you can click to watch a video that will walk you through just this part. Part 3 goes over real-world connections to our unit. So what do people do once they have these knowledge of human body systems and how your body turns food into energy? You can learn about sports scientists who help athletes or help firefighters protect themselves. You can learn about doctors in the medical field and what they do once they better understand the human body. You can learn about people who make their own food based on what they understand about how your body breaks food into energy. Or you can learn about what's a calorie. At the end, you'll answer one question here. For the last part, you'll reflect on your learning targets and rate yourself from 1 to 4 on how well you think you understand them. Be honest in this part. Finally, your teacher might ask you to go to Flipgrid, where you can upload a video of yourself sharing one thing that you learned or one question that you have after today's lesson. Most importantly, please make sure that you always turn in your work when you're done.